This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A6 tire. First, safety is paramount. Always park your vehicle on a stable, level surface, well away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, gather your essential tools: the spare tire, the vehicle jack, and the lug wrench, typically found in your trunk. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific jacking point locations. Now, let's prepare to remove the flat tire. Before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen all the lug nuts. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 turn each, but do not remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point on your Audi A6. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring stability throughout the process. With the vehicle safely elevated, it's time to swap the tires. First, fully remove all the lug nuts that you previously loosened. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and gently push it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. You're almost done. Carefully lower your Audi A6 completely to the ground. Once the vehicle is fully down, use the lug wrench to securely tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Finally, stow the flat tire and all your tools securely in the trunk. Remember, a spare tire is for temporary use only, so drive to a service center immediately to repair or replace your flat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.